Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see 11th maths. Already we are doing exercise 1.3. The question, ninth question, up to 8 we have finished. Now we will see the ninth question. The ninth question is what they are saying here. Show that the relation xy equal to minus 2 is a function for a suitable domain. Is a function for a suitable domain. Find the domain and the range of the function they are asking. So it's so simple. See here what they have given. Xy equals to what is that? Minus 2. So I will write y equals to what will come? Minus 2 by x. As you know, y is nothing but f of x. So this f of x equals to what will come? Minus 2 by x. Okay. So therefore it is clearly is a function. Function means what? For everything the value should be find the domain and range of the function saying. So we need to find a function. So therefore domain value will be what? Means see what are the value you can substitute in x. Everything you can substitute. We can we'll write as this is r minus 0. We can write why it is r minus 0. I will explain you here. See f of x equals to what is that? Minus 2 by x. If x turns to x value is 0 now, then f of 0 value is what? That is minus 2 by 0. Minus 2 by 0 value is what? Not defined. So you can write function won't exist. Function won't exist as x turns to 0. If I am substituting x value as 0, if I am substituting x as a 0, the function value is what? It's not defined. So therefore any other number you substitute, definitely what will come? The same and some answer will come. But here if you are substituting x equal to 0, the function is not going to get. That's why you can say that one. Similarly range also same way. This is y in terms of x in terms of y. Now again you take the same question. So xy equals to what is that? Minus 2. Then in terms of x equals to, now what will come? Minus 2y. So what the value will want substitute for y should not equal to what? 0 here. So y is 0 now, the x value won't exist. That is the domain. Similarly x value put 0 now, y value won't exist. The same thing. Range also what we can write? R minus 0 will come. So simply thing is in here you need to understand for what value the function is not existing. That alone you remove it. Here if I put 0, the value is not defined. Minus 2 by 0, that is equal to what? Not defined, it's coming. When y equal to 0. Here when y equal to x, the function value is not defining. So in this case we will say that value should not be. Domain means x and then range is nothing but y. That you keep it in mind for your understanding. Any r is nothing but real number. Any real number you can substitute except 0. Similarly here any real number you can substitute, answer may come but 0 won't come. That's the thing they are saying. That you keep it in mind. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the ninth question. And then this next one, 10th question is there. It's interesting 10th question. What they're saying, you just have a look here. They're saying that if f and g are real valued, range is, domain is also real number and codomain is also real number, or the function defined by f of x equal to mod x plus x and g of x equal to mod x minus x, and find g circle f and f circle g, they are asking. So both solution will be how you have to write now. Both f and g are mapping from real domain to codomain is real number. That's the thing. Next one is f of x. F of x is mod x plus x is there. See, if f of x we will split. Mod when we will use mod is only for positive number, right? For example, I am writing here, if 1 mod 1 answer is 1 only. If minus 1 answer is what? 1 only. Negative also you need to remove it. That is the thing we have to write here. So I am going to split this one. See, If x value is greater than or equal to 0, the function no need to put mod. Why? For positive answer also is 1 only. So that's why no need to put mod. Here will come x plus x. If x value is less than 0, that is negative, it's coming. Now what will come? Minus 1 we will write as a plus 1. So this instead of minus 1 can I write? Then minus into minus what will come? Plus. So therefore this value in place of x value is less than, it will come minus x, and this is plus x. So same function f of x will become here x plus x, what will come? 2x if x value is greater than or equal to 0. Minus x plus x, answer is 0 if x value is less than 0. This is one kind. Right? Similarly, now g of x. G of x, what they have given? Mod x minus x is there. Same thing, g of x, I am splitting the domain. If x value is greater than or equal to 0 now, no need to put mod, it will come as, if it is x value is less than 0 now, then x, this will become minus x, because the negative we need less than now to avoid the negative. Then g of x function will become here what? Plus x minus x is cancel, 0 minus, this is minus 2x will come. If x value is greater than or equal to 0, x value is less than 0. So we got f and we got g of x function. So now I am writing here adjacent both f of x, what that f of x, not 2x or 0, x is greater than or equal to, x is less than 0. This is g, f and g of x will be the same, it's opposite, 0 minus 2x. X value is greater than or equal to 0, x value is less than 0. That is the thing, case is here. I have written here, both the function adjacent to. Now what they are asking here, you see now, g circle f and f circle g. See, g circle f I will do, that is g of f of x. Okay, you can see f of x value is what? For greater than you take, x value is greater than or equal to 0 you take, x value is greater than now what will come? G, f of x value is what? 2x will come. For greater than 0 x, g of x is 0, so answer is what will come? 0 here. Similarly, if x value is less than 0 now, then g circle f value will be what? G of f of x, and f of x value for less than now it's 0, so g of 0 now answer is what? 0. The answer is 0. Okay, so in short we can say, in general we can write g circle f of x value is what? 0. Similarly you need to do for greater than you have taken, right? That is for you are doing for less than, greater than as well as similarly f circle g, and what you are doing? G circle f and f circle g. I have done g circle f. Similarly you put, similarly f circle g value also what will come here? 0 only will come. You please check. Is it clear? So this is the 10th question. Are you getting? Only the thing is this conversion only it's important. When it's coming mod, if it is greater than na, positive means no need of a sign. If it is less than na, negative we needed. To avoid that negative, what we will do? Multiply by minus. That alone you keep it in your mind. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. It shows easy. It's prove that. You can see in this question here. So they are doing some adjustment work here. What they are saying, if f, g, h are real valued function. Why they are saying the real valued means f, g, h whose domains are what? Domain are real number. That is R, real number. Real number means that is domain is what here? R means. Then prove that f circle g, f plus g circle h equal to f circle h plus g circle h. What can you say about g, f circle g of h plus? Justify your answer, they are saying. So now what I am going to do here, what we need to prove here, we need to prove. To prove what we need to prove, f plus g circle h value is f circle h plus g circle h. This we need to prove. Okay. So I am taking, let k equals to f plus g I will take. K equals to f plus g I am taking. That is we are taking f plus g circle h. That is nothing but k circle h. That k value already we have taken f plus. It's simple, just like things here. F of x, and then this is what? G of x. That you keep it in mind. K is nothing but f of x plus g of x. So that you can take here. So K is what you are going to take here now. F of x plus g of x. Okay, entirely what is that? H of x. That's the value it's coming. Simple multiply, ordinary. F here circle is that, don't forget. F of x circle with what is h of x. So plus g of x circle h of x. This value will come. So in short we can write f circle h plus g circle h. We can write. So we got f plus g of circle h here. We got the answer. That's it. Only you have to write 2 times. If you put k or not also, it's not an issue. You just multiply and prove it. That's the thing. And they're saying another thing is justify. This is f circle g. That is f circle g plus h. What will be the answer now? Multiply. F circle g plus f circle h will come. That's your answer. That you need to write here. Okay, you just write verification. That's it. Nothing you are going to do. This is not important, but you need to understand. Likewise, we can split and write. Like this distribution law is satisfied in the composite function, you can say here. Circle means composite function. Already you know in your 10th standard you are doing. So that's the thing. Okay, this is very, very important questions. It's very, very, really. This question they will ask you. What they are saying, if f map from R to R is defined by a function, that is function is that R to R, mapping from R to R means domain is what? Real number, and codomain is also what here? Codomain is also what here? Real number is that. What we need to prove? Prove that it's bijective. Bijective means what we have to do? And find inverse. We need to show it's a bijective and we need to find its inverse. These are the things we need to do here. Okay. So what's the function? F of x is what here? 3x minus 5. Okay. So how will you prove? Let me check here. F of x is nothing but y. Y equal to what we can write? 3x minus 5. So y plus 5 equals to 3x, because minus 5 goes that side now. Then x equals to what will come? Y plus 5 by 3. Is it correct? Or we can say x equals to what we can write? Y plus 5 by 3 we can write. This you take it as g of x, and in place of y you replace x plus 5 by 3. Okay, you have taken f here, the function f in terms of x. Here take x as in terms of what? Y, and you are making this as g of x. That is in place of x I am writing y, in place of y I am writing x here. Is it clear? So we are having two functions, f of x and g of x. So first I am going to do f circle g. What I am going to do here? F circle g I am going to do here. That you keep it in mind. F circle g means f of g of x. This one way I will do. What is here g of x here? G of x, this value. That you replace here x plus 5 by 3. Then next what we are having? F value is what we are having? 3x minus 5. So 3 in place of x minus 5 is there. What in place of x, what is that? The x is there, 3x minus 5. In place of x what we are having? X plus 5 by 3 is there. So you can see this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. So we are getting x plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. Now we are getting x. For what value? F circle g value. Okay. Similarly, now you are going to do g circle f. That is g of f of x you will find. What is f of x here? F of x value is what? 3x minus 5. So this is 3x minus 5 is that. Then g of x now, x plus 5 by x plus 5 by 3. Here x plus 5 by 3, because here x is that, that's why x plus 5 by 3. Here some value is there, that is 3x minus 5 is that. That's why we are writing 3x minus 5 plus 5 by 3 we are writing. Now you can see plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. What we are having? 3x by 3. So this 3 get cancelled. Now we are having x. This is g circle f. So we are getting here both the value. You can see f circle g and g circle f are what? One and same. So f circle g which is equal to g circle f. So what we can say? Therefore it is bijective. If your answer is coming both in f circle g and g circle f, both are same, then we will call it as a bijective. And inverse will be what? Inverse is g of x. What's the g of x here? You can see x plus 5 by 3. This is your inverse. Okay, in this way you need to write here. Alright, is that clear? So that's the thing we have to do. This is very important. Please do 2 to 3 times. You will get an answer. Okay, next we'll go next problem. Yeah, you can see this next question, 13th question. What they are saying, the weight of a muscles of a man, weight of a musculous man. Musculous means like bodybuilder. Of a man is a function of his body weight x and can be expressed as wx equals to what is that? 0.35x. Determine the domain of the function they are saying. See, domain means nothing but what? Domain is what do you mean by domain? Domain means what are the value we can substitute. It's visible. What are the value we can substitute for x? What are the value we can substitute, or what are the value we can write here? Since see here, I am having one line, answer is one line here, only one line. I am just see this is 0, minus infinite plus infinite. This is real number, isn't it or not? This is real. Everything will come. Is it possible that it's a body, right? Weight can be come in negative. Is it possible weight can become negative? Surely negative part won't come. Okay. Is there possible 0 will come? If some person is there, definitely it will be what? A new baby born means their weight also at least average weight is 3 kg. Or we can say it's a premature baby also we will have as 1.5 kilogram, but 0 is not possible. So whatever the positive is there, that we can take. So we can write here domain in short. How we can write now? R plus. We'll write as R plus. Only positive. Domain is in short we can write R plus. Means only positive values. Real number positive value, negative won't come. This is the answer. That's it. You want, you can write. Since explanation how it will be now, the wording only. Since weight can't be negative and 0, therefore domain you write it. Therefore domain equals to what you will write? R plus you write. That's up to this one only. This is not answer. Only this one word only you are going to write, but it's important question. The one more question. Okay, next question. It's interesting. See here, the distance of an object falling. The distance of an object falling is a function of a time t. If you drop one, for example, if you take pen, if I am leaving, it's going down. That only we are saying it's a falling is a function, object falling. In terms of t, it will take some time, right, to reach the ground. That only they are saying here. And can be expressed as s of t. Can be expressed as a s of t. Function is going s of t equal to minus 16 t square is there. Graph the function and determine its 1 they are asking. So we need to graph it and we need to check for it is 1-1ness. 1-1ness now simple. To check 1-1 like this also we can write 1-1. Okay. S of t is what here? Minus 60 t square. To show, see, s of t1 equals to s of t2 you take. Answer should come t1 equal to t2 now. Then it's a what? 1-to-1. S of t1 now, for s of t what's the function? Minus 16 t square. Here will come minus t1 square will come. Here minus 16 t2 square will come. So here minus 16 will get cancelled. So T1 equals to T1 square equal to T2 square will come. Then T1 equals to square root of what will come? T2 square. Square root get cancelled. Now T1 value what will come? Plus or minus T2 will come. So we are having two values. Either T1 equals to T2 or T1 equals to what will come? Minus T2. But you can see time can't be negative. Time cannot be negative. So this you can't take. Only the thing is what? T1 equal to T2. Therefore, I am writing here. You can write, therefore, it is 1 function. It is what you are going to write, 1 function. Okay, therefore it is a 1 function. Next, you need to draw graph. So I am taking T here. This is S of T. S of T is nothing but what will come? Minus 16T square. Draw like a table. Okay, so we need to draw a table. We need to give some values here. I am going to give 0, 1, 2. Only this value. If I am putting 0 here, 0 into anything, the answer is 0. If I am putting 1 here, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 16 will come. Then if I am giving T value as a 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 16s are 64, minus 64 will come. So the points are 0, 0, 1, minus 16, and then 2, what it's coming? Minus 64 will come. So you need to plot this one. So just a minute, I will plot. Now you can see I have written here points here. I have to draw the graph. So let me draw the graph here. So draw an axis like this. I am drawing because here it somewhere is that. So that's why. Now you can see here. This is y axis, y dash, and this is x axis, x dash. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Here y axis is, you can see 0, 16, 64. That's why I am writing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 70 you write. Actually I need to draw here, but I have leave, don't leave you. Okay, don't leave like that. Properly draw. First is 0, 0. This point is 0, 0. That for 1 minus 16, for this is minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60, because it's going down. So for 1 it's minus 16 now. For 1 minus 16 will be approximately here. So this is 1, minus 16. For 2 it's 64. Somewhere it will be here. So this is 2, minus 64. You just join this one. So take a scale and join everything. So it will definitely it will be what? On your straight line. So this is a way. This is nothing but S of T equals to minus 16T square. The graph for this one. Okay. I hope you have understand this one. Inshallah, we'll see a few more questions are there. We have done up to question. Some 5 more questions is left. We will do in the next class. Inshallah. Assalam. Complete this as a homework.